Welcome to Autoserve. Over the next few moments, we will take a look at the reasons why electric vehicles still require maintaining and why having an Autoserve plan would be beneficial to help maintain your new electric vehicle. It is true that electric vehicles do have far fewer moving parts than internal combustion engines. This means that electric cars often require far less maintenance and can be cheaper to operate, but they do still require routine servicing and maintenance. By having a guaranteed maintenance contract on your new EV, not only will you have peace of mind that Autoserve is only a phone call away, but it also means that you're able to spread the maintenance cost over a set term, allowing vehicle maintenance to be more affordable by budgeting. Routine servicing and maintenance, in line with the manufacturer's guidelines, will help to maintain optimal battery performance and the vehicle's longevity. So let's go through what's included in an EV service with your guaranteed maintenance package. A vehicle inspection health check, software updates, replacement pollen filter, which is usually replaced every 24 months, a brake fluid change, again, this is usually every 24 months, a screen wash top-up at every service, a coolant change, which is usually required every 36 months, batteries for central locking remotes when required, changing of the front and rear differential oils on 4x4 vehicles when required, and lastly, resetting the service light. With a guaranteed maintenance package, not only is the vehicle's servicing, maintenance and repair included, but it also includes the vehicle's MOT, replacement tyres when the tread is worn to 2 mil or less, punctured tyres, repaired or replaced, but not if the damage is to the tyre sidewall or shoulder. Accident management is also included, along with breakdown assistance, as well as our 24-hour driver helpline, warranty claim booking facility and endguard. At Autoserve, customer service is at the forefront of our business. That's why, whether it's a breakdown or a tyre puncture, we're here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're just a phone call away. We hope this has given you a good idea of what is involved with the maintenance of your electric vehicle and how our guaranteed maintenance package can be beneficial to you. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager, your broker, or give our operations team a call. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.